Hey, you don't need cameras like this anymore. With Seedance 2, you can create anything you imagine.
Seedance 2 is finally here, and on Dzine, it changes everything. ByteDance's new video model has been making serious noise over the last month, but if you've only seen it through tools like CapCut or Dreamina, you still haven't seen its full potential. Because on Dzine, you can push this much further, including using real face image references to create cinematic sequences that feel far more controlled and powerful. In today's video, I'll show you the short story I created with it, walk you through the workflow, and show you some of the things Seedance 2 can really do, and the reason why Hollywood has been trying to hold back this model from release. But first, let's watch this short story.
Where am I? This again.
Captain! The weather's closing in fast, sir. She won't hold much longer. Then show me. This has to be a dream! Another hour in this and we lose her, sir! Enemy coast! Nearest shelter! Bring us in. If we stay out here, we die. Land off the bow! Steady. Batteries on the cliff, sir. They've seen us.
Wow, so we all have access now to Seedance 2, and this is your opportunity, our opportunity to bring to life stories using Seedance 2. And the incredible thing about Seedance 2 within Dzine is you have access to all of the features, including using images, videos, and audio as references when creating clips. So let's get straight into the platform and I'll show you how I made these clips that we saw just now, and show you some more example clips where we use audio to bring to life some images and also video as well. So here we are within the Dzine platform, and I'll jump into the project that I created to create this video. So we're here within the project for the film you just saw, and here at the bottom, Seedance 2.0 available here within AI video. We're just going to choose Seedance 2.0, and you have a choice here of start and end frame, any frame, or reference. Reference is the best usually to use with Seedance 2.0. It gives you a choice of up to 12 references such as images, videos, or audio. So I'm going to load in 5 shots here as image references that are used for creating one of the shots. So we've got our 5 images loaded there within the reference on Seedance, and then I've pasted in the prompt that I've created for this scene. And the way I create this prompt is talking to a GPT that I've created that you can find linked on the @PureAct YouTube channel. So once you have your prompt in there, you need to make sure that the images are referenced here. So you just use the use @ and then you click the symbol for that image, and then for the captain's exact identity match, @image 5, which is my character sheet of the captain, and the commander's wet face is there. So use this for the second in command, wet face. And so the prompt here basically says exactly what I want to happen after that. It tells you, the first part of the prompt tells you which images to use reference, so the system knows which images are for what. And then the second part of the prompt here goes on to say what's going to happen each part of the story. So stay on the open exterior storm deck of a British wooden sailing ship, driving through violent storms toward dark coastline. Beat 1, start with a dramatic high angle from above the mast, looking down on the ship as it pitches through huge waves towards the coast in rain and mist. A sailor shouts out, "Land off the bow." So this is how the prompts go here. And then down here we choose 16:9, and we choose the quality, which is 7:20, and put the duration up to 15 seconds. And the audio is built on, and then you click generate. Once this clip is generated like it is here, you can see the 5 images that we used to generate it and the prompt in here. Then it comes out at 720p.
Land off the bow! Steady! Batteries on the cliff, sir. They've seen us.
And once you get it into your edit, you can obviously choose the bits of the clip you want to use and not use. And then what I do before I download is I go here to video, enhance and upscale. So you've got a choice of an enhancer or you've got an upscaler, and Dream comes out at 720p. So you can upscale here for just an extra 30 credits to 1080p. You can even go up to 4K or 8K, but generally 1080p is good enough for most people. So you can just upscale to 1080p 30 credits. And then you get this 1080p version of the clip. And so this is how you can create 15-second clips using multiple images as references. So when it comes to creating these prompts, I use a GPT that I created, which helps me to do that. I'll share that with you right now. And you can find that on the @PureAct channel, linked in the description. This is it here. It's called Seedance 2.0 Cinematic Prompt Writer. So you'll want to add the images that you want to use. So I've got those same 5 images that we saw just now within Dzine, and then I'll just load them up here and tell it exactly what I want to happen in that scene. So you can just talk to it and describe exactly what you want, something simple, and then click generate. So then that will generate the prompts that we saw in the beginning there, where you can see it creates 2 versions and within the character count, and it tells you here that subjects and how they're going to be used, the action sequence, the cameras, the settings, and all of that. And there's 2 versions that can be used here. And when it's too long, you can ask it to shorten the prompt as well. Now, this GPT is just based off of a PDF that I created that basically uses the best advice on how to create prompts for Dream. And this is the main, most important part of the information here. You want to have in your prompts subject, action sequence, setting, camera, style look, audio, and the constraints. Constraints are things like no music. So this just helps you to structure out your prompts, and the GPT does it for you. But if you want to write your prompt manually, you just write the subjects and who they are, what they do. So at image 1 is the captain, the sequence, the ship is sailing from here to there in weather, the setting, you know, what's happening, the camera, high angle, low angle, the style, you know, cinematic or documentary, audio, what's being said, music, sound effects, and the constraints, things like no music, no funny glitches, etc. So all of the clips that were created for that first sequence were created here using Dream 2.0 15-second clips. And then I just took all those clips into CapCut and edited them together. So let's look at an example now where you can just use a audio clip to drive a image for a video using Seedance 2.0. I've got this image here I've created of this man looking at a picture of his younger self with his wife here. This was just created using Nano Banana within Dzine, and I'm going to go down here to this box at the bottom. I've created a piece of music just using a platform like Suno where he's singing, and we're going to go into AI video Seedance 2.0 and reference. I'm going to choose this image, and then we're also going to choose a piece of audio that I've created here. It's called You Come Alive. So I've just written a very simple prompt here without using a GPT. And so at image 1, looking at the photo in his hand and singing audio 1, the photo image comes alive and joins in the singing 2 as the photo becomes color and takes over with a flashback scene, then cuts back to him with the photo in his hands. So we have Seedance 2.0, 16 by 9, 720, 15 seconds.
Every laugh that we recorded, every word we when we breathe it.
So that first attempt didn't come out exactly like how I wanted. It was still a lovely video, but he didn't sing to the camera. So I'm going to try that again and ask it to make sure that the man sitting in the chair looks at the camera, starts singing, and then looks at the picture as it comes alive.
Every life that we've recorded, every word we barely said, wakes up like a sleeping garden when I rewind in my head. And then you come alive.
So for this next example, I want to try out the video as a reference mode. Here's an image I've made of myself as the captain of a more modern cruise liner. We're going to select the image as one of the references and a short video clip, which is less than 15 seconds, as the driving video. And so here I've loaded this image and I've loaded this video. It has to be in MP4 format. I tried .mov before this but it didn't work, but .mp4 works, less than 15 seconds. So just put in a simple prompt here of @image1 being animated by @vid1. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for choosing to ride this ship with us today, and I hope you have a safe and pleasant onward journey. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for choosing to ride this ship with us today, and I hope you have a safe and pleasant onward journey. Seedance 2 is absolutely incredible with the ability to use up to 12 images, audio and video as driving references. Now you can create any of those videos or adverts or scenes that you have in your imagination that you want to bring to life. Let me know in the comments below which videos you are going to create. And I'll see you again in the next video on this channel. Make sure to subscribe to get notifications and click that bell icon.